Hi friends, welcome. Let's talk about the most expected questions for the preliminary competitive exam. First of all, e-cigarette. Now, e-cigarette does not contain tobacco and nicotine is incorrect because it does not contain tobacco but it does contain nicotine, which comes under the category of tobacco. So the next is SCATOSAT, which helps in disaster management. It is an Earth observation satellite mainly for decision making for natural geography, man-made features. It also helps in military mapping and urban planning activities. So the next is Starling Network. This is a SpaceX project which aims to send small satellite in lower Earth orbit. So you have a constellation nearly 42,000 constructs that are seen. Idea is to provide low price internet everywhere on the earth which has the better accessibility of 24/7 availability. So this is where you have the Starling network. Now talking about Arakoth. Arakoth is one of the small icy world which are in the Kuiper belt. Now this is the belt can be seen in the outer atmosphere and this has been instrumental in the formation of the planets and the cosmic origin. Now this has been early discovered and back in 2014. Since with the help of Hubble telescope we have been working on it. The next is Geochemical Baseline Atlas that aims to trace the elements from the topsoil and help to access the environmental damage that has been seen. So this would be the part of the global map database that is prepared by the International Union of Geological Science, map of metal oxides and the soil structure. The next is lithium battery. Now, lithium ion battery have a low self-discharge rate, have lightweight and have high density, but they do not contain cadmium. So this has been in contrast with the nickel cadmium battery, that is lithium ion battery, that have come up. It is rechargeable and have nearly 5000 cycles as compared to the 500 cycles of acid lead battery. And therefore, lithium ion battery is one of the major innovation in true science and technology. Now talking about edge computing. It allows the data to be analyzed, processed and transferred locally, and it also increases the performance because it reduces the latency. Also it reduces the intermittent time that is seen to understand the conception. And then you have three things as I shown in the diagram are part of it, which is the cloud, edge and IoT. So I hope here the context about lithium ion battery and the context about edge computing is very clear. Is nothing but lithium is having the low self discharge rate and so on. Now talking about the Gagan. Is first in the world to be certified with the vertical guidance to be operated in the equatorial ionosphere region. This was developed by the way of ISRO and airport authorities of India to bring an accuracy of the international navigation. System covers the region from the Australia to Africa. The next is regarding the microbial fuel cells. So here microbial fuel aims to transform the chemical energy to the electrical energy using the oxidation reduction process. However, there is a difference because this microbial fuel are basically bioelectrical devices which strengthens the breathing microbes to convert the organic substances without delay into the electrical power. Now since it is using the living biocatalyst to facilitate the motion of the electrons, this system is highly preferred. So I hope here the context about the Gagan and the microbial fuel is almost clear. Now moving on with the Meena Kumari committee. So Meena Kumari committee aims and focuses on deep sea fishing. Now this is a committee which talks about the fishing vessel. The length of it should be 15 meters or more. It should be allowed to operate on the exclusive zones. So here are some of the key development beside this. So in our expected classes on science and technology, we will be touching topics more related to illegos and so on. So guys, stay tuned. Do subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.